Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. The 2023 Kia Sportage is a big improvement over the outgoing model. It's larger and a bit more upscale than the model it replaces, packed with the latest tech and creature comforts. It's one of the brand's best-selling models, and the affordable price should make it quite attractive in the crowded class of crossovers. The 2023 Kia Sportage starts at $27,205. All prices include the $1,215 destination charge. That gets you the entry-level Sportage LX with front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive adds $1,800 to the LX and the $29,205 Sportage X. The Sportage X-Line is only available with a WD for $32,005. The FWD Sportage SX and SX Prestige start at $32,705 and $34,705, respectively, with a WD costing $1,800 more for each. The X Pro and X Pro Prestige are only available with all-wheel drive. The X Pro starts at $36,205, while the X Pro Prestige is $38,005. Powering the entire Sportage lineup is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder making 187 horsepower, 138 kilowatts, and 178 pound-feet, 242 Newton-meters, of torque. However, there will be other powertrains. The Sportage Hybrid pairs a turbocharged 1.6-liter to a 44-kilowatt electric motor to create 226 horsepower, 166 kilowatts. The Sportage PHEV, the plug-in hybrid electric variant, will be available in two trims, X-Line and X-Line Prestige. Kia hasn't released pricing for the hybrid in the PHEV models, both of which go on sale later this year. We expect Kia to release pricing information closer to when they go on sale. Kia started 2023 Sportage production earlier this month, and the company says the crossover is available for purchase at Kia dealers right now. The crossover has a bold exterior design and a stylish, tech-packed interior that should attract shoppers.